that conceptualization is a challenge. I feel that there is an ambivalence there which perhaps we don't have a right to maintain, because then we are still granting that the biological definition of race is a definition of any kind of racism. The truth is that biological physical race doesn't exist, because race is always the correspondence of value to physics or value to biology. There never has been a purely biological racism. It was always about which physical characteristic corresponded to a superior spirit, superior technology, superior civilization. And to that extent, caste fits the definition very well. But my last point, um, by the dint of the same knowledge we have to recognize today, 25 years after Durban, can we still use the word discrimination as though somehow, and here again, I would say I take a slight divergence from Paul. I think we have all the definitions we need to go further with what the conference achieved, because discrimination is a neutral term. Anyone can be accused of discriminating against anyone, which is how in this country we have an anti reservation discourse. I don't think it is acceptable to have words like discrimination, because it means we are still acting under the pressure and the gaze of the upper caste scientists and their white counterparts. We have the science behind us. So we are talking about descent based discrimination, and descent is uh, association of value with physics or biology. When someone is born, they are already inferior. That is not discrimination, that is descent based discrimination. So, can we also take for granted that some things are now settled, and and therefore it's for that reason also not a failure? Durban is not a failure at all.